Guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, this is me Vedika. I hope you all are glowing. Being a content creator, I need to shoot outdoor as well, and for that I need to pack my bag accordingly. So now let's do it. And this small bag never helps me, so I've got this one. I totally love all the products from Zouk, their bags, their footwear, everything that they have to offer. I really love this design of this bag. It is so huge. It's an everyday tote bag. So it has one zip and इसके अंदर एक छोटू सा compartment है, which is not छोटू सा. You can keep many things in it. Okay. ये सब चीज़ें हैं जो मुझे पैक करनी है and this is what consists of my bag when I go for outdoor shoot. Okay, so let's pack my bag. मैं tripod use करूँगी. You know, content creators के लिए tripod is very much useful. तो ये छोटू सा compact tripod है, मैंने रख दिया बैग में. Power bank, last minute charging issues ना हो जाए इसलिए. Perfume, last minute touch-ups के लिए. Little cash and then card also. This is my hair comb which my sister gifted me. और ये सब clips and hair clips and जो भी चाहिए वो सब मैंने डाल दिया. And then मैंने ले लिए मेरे earbuds. You know, रील अगर बना रहे हो तो उसी सॉन्ग पे आपको बनाना है. Lipstick and lip gloss and a छोटू सा mirror. And that's me smiling. Pen, आपको पता नहीं कब आपको उसकी ज़रूरत पड़ी. A water bottle क्योंकि outdoor shooting कर रहे हो आप, right? Sunglasses and a compact for touch up, towel and then very useful a mobile phone जिस पे हम content बनाने वाले हैं. So this is all in my bag when I go for outdoor photo shoot. Okay, and now let's go.